You've seen them everywhere. Mind-blowing AI short films, cinematic dramas, high-end Instagram marketing ads, and even full-blown TV commercials. And if you've ever watched those videos and wondered, how are people actually making these? Well, Buzzy is the answer. It is the ultimate AI workflow workspace that changes the game. Let's get into it. This is Buzzy AI. It just integrated Seedance 2.5, the model actually doing the rendering today. And if you look at the specs here, this is a massive leap. We're talking full 4K cinematic clips built directly from both text and images, offering sharper output and richer scene detail. Plus, it now handles extended clip durations up to 30 seconds with multi-shot outputs, giving you more room for polished scenes while keeping continuity across shots. Which means longer scenes, sharper details, and way less stitching clips together in post. And we're staying entirely inside agent mode for this one. I'll open the Skills panel and select AI Film. In the prompt box, I type exactly one sentence. A cinematic short drama about a woman in a red coat who returns to the corner cafe where she said goodbye 10 years ago. Sitting at their old table as 9 o'clock approaches, waiting to see if he'll walk back through the door. Buzzy asks for 3 things: aspect ratio, direction, and duration. I'll keep the defaults: 16:9, cinematic, and 30 to 60 seconds. Confirm, and it starts writing the script. And there it is, 3 chapters, a real emotional arc, a ticking clock built right into the plot, from just one sentence. So I hit Generate Characters and Scenes. Look at this, the red coat, the lighting, the whole cinematic look, exactly what I pictured. Next, Generate Storyboard. This is the part I actually trust the tool for. Buzzy recommends the shot-by-shot prompts itself, and every frame lines up to the real runtime, so I can see the entire film structure before a single second of video renders. Now, what if a shot isn't giving you the camera angle you need? Instead of rewriting prompts and gambling on a reroll, we use the multi-angle feature. If you look at the options up top, you can see all these different views. Let's select Tilted View and hit Generate. Look at this before and after. The camera perspective shifts dramatically, but the character's facial features, hair, and clothing stay 100% consistent. Next, adjusting scene lighting. Lighting sets the mood of your entire feel, but changing it traditionally ruins image consistency. With Buzzy's lighting feature, I can adjust light direction, color, and mood with a simple click. Right here in the lighting panel, we can decrease the brightness, change the perspective, toggle on a rim light, and give it a key light in any direction of any color. Let's set it at the top. Check out this before and after. It transformed a flat scene into a dramatic, cold, rim-lit environment without altering the underlying character or scene geometry. Third, when you need multiple angle variations, this is where 9-Grid comes in. Instead of cutting an image apart, 9-Grid takes your character reference and generates 9 different perspective and angle variations within a single grid image. As you can see in the drop-down menu, there are many options to choose from. Let's make it multi-camera 9-Grid in 4K. Then, using Grid Split, we select the 3x3 grid option, and we instantly separate those 9 multi-angle variations into independent nodes across our canvas, just like the layout you see here. Take a look at this before and after. From a single reference image, we now have 9 perfectly matching camera perspectives ready to drop into our storyboard. 1 frame, 5 tools, 0 reshoots. Now, generate the video. It shows me the full node tree, script, storyboard, every character reference, all feeding into one render. And it asks me to confirm. I do. The clips come back and they're genuinely good. Except clip 3. Watch the background behind the clock. It doesn't belong in this scene. This is the real test of a tool like this. Not the shots that work first try, but whether it can fix the one thing that's wrong. I open Edit Clips, select clip 3, and type, "The first 3 seconds of this shot show a clock ticking, but the ticking clock should be in Elena's hand and on the table, not in the background." And there it is, fixed. Not regenerated from scratch. The one thing I flagged, corrected. Last step, merge all videos, add the score, confirm. Here's the finished drama.
Just like we promised.
Round 2. A product ad built from nothing but a photo. Skills panel again. This time, branding ads. I upload the one reference photo I have, a pair of leather shoes, and type, "Create a studio-quality branding ad for your product." A sleek commercial for these handcrafted formal men's leather shoes. Opening on extreme close-up shots of stitching and polished leather as a man laces up in dim morning light. Then cutting to him striding with total confidence across a marble office lobby as heads turn. Buzzy asks for a product title and description. Title: Buzzy Formal Shoes. Description: Premium handcrafted formal leather shoes for men. I confirm the uploaded photo as the main image and hit Confirm Product Package. Here's something I didn't expect. Buzzy offers to search actual competitor ad videos for reference. Curious, I say yes. It pulls up a handful of trending ones. But look, if I use one of these, Buzzy just drops my product into their existing video. That's not a commercial, that's a copy. So I delete the reference, go back to the chat box and just type Generate Storyboard. Buzzy confirms the settings. 16:9, 30 seconds to a minute, 720p, and builds the entire storyboard from scratch. No reference needed. The pacing already reads commercial grade. Generate preview images. And these look incredible before a single frame even moves. Generate all video clips. This is the shot that sold me, the stitching detail, the way light sits on the leather. That's not stock footage. Buzzy merges it with a score, and here's the final ad.
Confidence isn't loud. It is a silent signal. Premium handcrafted leather.
Whether you're mapping out a narrative short film or rendering high-converting product reels for clients, Buzzy handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. It lets you iterate faster, test different generation models side by side, and scale your creative output without burning out. If you want to stop juggling tabs and actually focus on creating, check out the link in the description to try Buzzy for yourself. Let me know in the comments what kind of project you're building with it. Hit that subscribe button for more AI workflow breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.